In this video, I'm going to show you how to get owl in Grow a Garden in Roblox. So this is actually the part of the new update over here, the lunar update. And over here, let me just show you how to get it. So if you walk up to this new event over here in the middle and you talk to the wise old owl and you click on this button over here, what are lunar points? Basically, it says that some fruits turn moonlit at night and then you can trade them in for lunar points. So once you do that, you can get different rewards. Now here's the reward track. As you can see, this is what you can get for this amount of lunar points over here. And then at the very end, you get this owl. Now this owl, I do believe, is just the night owl, which is this one. Let me show you. There we go, the night owl. However, there's also a different one, which is called just the owl. Okay, so let me just actually talk to this owl again over here when the chat resets. There we go. And if I go in here, I click on what are lunar points again. It says the ultimate reward over here is basically an owl. So it's not a night owl, it's just an owl. And I'm assuming this one is very, very rare. So what I would just recommend you do is you will basically just have to wait for the next night event. So for me, it's going to be in 28 minutes and a half over here. And then when this happens, your fruits actually have a chance to turn moonlit or lunar. I'm not sure what it's called. So once that happens, you want to just pick them up and then you want to come over here and you want to trade those in for points. So you want to trade in as many of these fruits as possible. So at the end, you can basically complete this quest over here. You can get as many of these as you possibly can, and the ultimate reward at the very end, when you submit the maximum amount of those lunar plants for the lunar points, you'll be able to get yourself an owl. So that's pretty much it. That's the only way to get this owl right now. There's no other way. So as you are able to see, inside the eggs, you can't really get it. Inside the shop, there's no way to actually get the owl. So yeah, that's the only way. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.